Hey guys, welcome to Laratips. In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 new things that has been added to Laravel version 8.74.0. And before starting this video, I would like to introduce you to this video sponsor, which is Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform which focuses on your business and avoid all the web hosting hassles. Cloudways will take care of the server setup for you, and you can go live in minutes using the Cloudways. You can select any one of these applications like WordPress, Laravel, PHP, etc. and you can host those in any one of these servers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr, Google Cloud or Linode. And also you can scale your server size as you need using the simple and easy user interface. You can use the link below to subscribe to Cloudways, and if you sign up now within the Black Friday period, then you will get 40% discount for 4 months. And if you are watching this video after the Black Friday, then also you will get 20% off for 2 months using the link that I have provided below. The first thing that has been done is the optimization of the unique method on the collection. So if I show you this pull request, and I'll be leaving the link of all these pull requests just below that like button in the description box. And this feature is contributed by Tony Levitt, and I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name. So here it is written that the current unique method of the collection is very slow, and this modification can increase the speed by hundreds of times, and I'll show you the images over here. So this is the benchmark that he has done, and let me just increase the font size for you. So before, the normal array unique would take this much time, the collection would take, you can see here, almost 100 times more, and the lazy collection would take this much time. So you can see here, before it was 9.37 seconds and now it is 0.033 seconds. You can see here the benchmark, and as I have said before, I will be leaving this link just below that like button. So this modification will increase the speed by almost 100 times. And now let me show you the code. So there is very little change in the code. So here only 3 lines of code. If this key is null and the string is false, then just return the new collection with the array unique. Otherwise, just do what it was doing before. The second thing that has been added is the app isDebug method to detect the debug mode, and it was proposed before isDebug, but now the method has been changed to hasDebugModeEnabled, and you can call this method on app helper method or app facade, and this will return true if this app underscore debug is true. And if it is false, then this method will also return false. Now the third thing that has been added is event-except fake, to fake all the events except the one passed in this method. So if you see here, before we had to do it like this. So we had to just add it in an array and pass a closure. So we had to do it like this. Now it has made this very simple, and we can pass the multiple events as an array as well. The fourth thing that has been added is the undot method. Let me show you that over here. So there is also a dot method in the array, so it will just convert all the keys of this array into the dot. So you can see here multi-dimensional array, but it will convert into one-dimensional array, and every keys will be separated by a dot. So if I just reload this, you can see here this user dot name has a value foo, and user dot occupation has a value bar. You can see here. And now if we have this as an array, then we can just reverse this into this, and the method name is undot. If we want to convert the array keys into dot, then just use dot, and if we want to reverse it, then use undot, which is the new method. So I have passed here this dotted into here, so this into here, and it will give us the original array, this, because it will convert those dot into the normal array. And the last and the fifth thing that has been added is the string reverse. So this reverse method has been added. Let me just comment this and let me show you over here. So I have this apple, and when I call the reverse method on it, then you can see here apple in the reverse order, and this is also added to the stringable class. So let me call here off and pass reverse like this. I have to cast it as a string to make it visible like this, and you can see here the result is same. If I don't pass the string, then it will just return the stringable object.